Hi everyone, this is Amir Mohammed Refactoring from AUA team. As you remember, this is the part 2 of making our controller and using it in our system. We have run thus far here until making our command in versus controller. I just wanted to make some minor changes, putting return here and make it as a sort of barrier. Variable p equals and return p. Okay, now let's move to our Swagger so that we can see what we have done up to now. Okay, just waiting the Swagger being loaded. Good. First authorizing admin. Then clicking here, waiting until everything is okay. Good. Where is our method post? We can try it out. For example, we make Amir, and this is Miriam, for example. And as you can see, we just put the execute. So what do we have? Sort of error. Exception 404 status identity okay. I think it is because that we have the problem of having some shadow property here. As you can see, I think because in our entity level, entity, as you remember, we have added some issue. I think this is our problem because I think we don't have it here. Maybe we do have. Okay, just see the design. Yes, first name, last name. As you can see, we have some compound variable here. Because it's needed to be a shadow property, and we are not focused on entity framework core in this series of AUA tutorial. We just skip it because it's sort of complexity, and we just make it here commented because it's needed some time to make it a sort of shell properly, but we just want to focus and we just want to concentrate on our iOS so that we can use everything simply. Okay, good. I think the problem shall be solved now. Okay, this is our server. Version is 1. Authorize admin, and everything is okay. Good. Let's so try it out. So go again, make it here. Then read. Okay, execute it. So we don't have any sort of errors. Result successful. Okay, and as I think we can see here in our added top 200 rows, okay, you can see we have made something here, we made something here. Okay, everything you can see is put, and we do have it. Good. So what we don't have here, as you can see, and what we have first, We have the first name, then we have the last name. Is active is false because we haven't set it yet. And this is the registrator, this is the creator, okay? Creator ID, creator user ID, as you can see. So let's go back and make this validation user creator ID and is active. How to set it? So simply here, coming around now and come back here. So in order to make is active true, we just gonna come here in our vast application, then going to our commands and command handler, where we have spoken about inserting a new item. As you can see, we haven't had this is active here. Chance that is active true. Okay, we'll just put here, then run the VM. As you can see, so just waiting. Everything is low. Our Strider is to some extent slow, or maybe my system is slow. First authorize it admin, second admin, okay. Admin, our username and our password here. Good. So again, coming here in Barista, try it out, made, for example, to Amir, okay, to Amiri, and we execute it. Everything is okay. Our response is okay. Result okay. So going back here, execute. Then you can see to Amir Amiri is active is true, as I've just told you. Okay, good. Another issue of concern is checking out our errors. You can see that we make everything run again. Okay. Trigger using authorized mean authorize. Good. Authorization successful. Remember, we had some errors when our first name or our last name was empty. You can see that, for example, this is our first name, it's empty. Just test it. You can see error message first name is empty. As you remember, our Inam, and error issue error first name empty, type error 3. So for example, we make it error 3, error 3, for example, and our string here, just make this string last name empty. Okay, our last name is empty and execute it. As you can see, last name is empty, type error code 2. So if I just make both of them empty again, you can see we have two errors, first name empty, last name empty. Okay, but if I make them 3 and here 3, for example, and here 3 and here 3 and here 3, execute it, no results. Okay, and everything is finalized here. Okay, that was all for controller. In other steps, we shall go through this fabulous and this spectacular framework so that you can use it more and more. Take your journey until here so that you can understand it. Our next phases would be making MAUI, and making Blazor for its um, front end and for your user graphical interface. Thank you watching us, and thank you for being with us in our AUA framework. Bye for now.